In this video, we're talking about why you need video marketing. I'm going to introduce you to the future of marketing. If you're not already producing video content for your marketing campaigns, what are you waiting for? Without a crystal ball, I'm going to introduce you to the future of marketing. Then I'll show you how to blow your competition out of the water, simply with a smile. And then I'll show you how to make your customers say, wow. All this and more, stay tuned. So first things first, video marketing is the future of marketing. Bottom line, it's become the customer's expectation. If you don't have video in your marketing campaigns, it feels on the customer's end that you're missing something. And truly, you are missing out at a huge portion of your market. So why do we need video marketing? Well, if the customers are expecting video marketing, we need to look at what platforms that they are existing on. How are those platforms utilizing video, and how can we make the most out of those interactions on those platforms? If you don't have video marketing in your campaigns, then you're definitely about to fall off the cliff. You're really about to miss the boat. Video marketing is more than just sitting in front of your camera and recording content. It's more than just having a fancy video editor. The cutting edge of video marketing is live streaming. If you want information on building your live stream, how to use the tools and strategies of that $50 billion streaming industry, if you want to tackle those tactics and strategies for your small business, then I definitely recommend you hit the subscribe button, follow this channel. I'm going to show you how to build your influence, your authority, and ultimately your income online. Join me for the journey. The most beautiful part about using video in your marketing campaigns is the ability to have a personal connection to your audience. We have these pseudo relationships that begin to form where your customers begin to feel like they are part of your movement. If you share your journey with them, if you become the attractive character, if you take them along the hero's journeys, your customers will begin to fall in love not only with you, the attractive character, but with your brand as well. Giving them that opportunity for that personal connection, giving them that opportunity to build relationships, not only with you, but with other members of the community. This happens with video in a way that is impossible in any other format. We may begin to build those types of relationships on platforms like Instagram, where we feel like we're connected with someone because we see their posts on a regular basis. But if we look really deeply at those who are really nailing it on a platform like Instagram, they're nailing it because they're using video. They're using stories, they're using reels, they're connecting to their audience on a different level. We see the ones who are the most successful. We can see that they are using live video. It's this opportunity for connection that you miss out on when you focus your podcast to be audio only, for example, or when you go about Instagram in a purely visual, still photo kind of way, right? We have to look at how we're incorporating video and how we are harnessing and leveraging the power that it gives us, that power of connection. Talking about connection, I want to know more about the movements that you guys are building. Let me know if you have questions about building your influence, your authority, your income online. If you have questions about how in visibility hacking we harness the strategies of $50 billion streaming industries, then definitely drop them down below. I would love to hear your thoughts, your questions, your comments, your concerns, or better yet, your knock-knock jokes. So drop those down in the comments below. I would love to hear from you guys. All right, so you're probably asking, how do we actually do this though? Like, we've talked about putting your brand on things. We know that we need to be connecting with our audience. We know that video marketing is so incredibly powerful, and you even know that live video is up to 10 times more powerful than regular pre-recorded video is on its own. And that is so incredible. But how do we actually put these together? How do we actually do this? Well, Definitely there isn't enough time in this video to go through all of it, so I've put it all together in a course. We call it the Live Academy, and in there we teach you everything you need to know about streaming. So we build your show, we talk about your formats, your frameworks, we build a stage and a platform for you to engage with your audience that connects them to your business, that ascends them up your value ladder, that deepens their relationship with you, and that builds connection to each other. Because ultimately, if you want your clients to have more success, you know that it comes with the expertise of your entire community. You know that a highly engaged community is going to draw more people in, and it's going to draw more engagement overall. And that is what we teach you in Live Academy. We harness the strategies that I have learned from my research looking into the $50 billion streaming industry. Imagine if you had just like 1% of that, how that would change your business, how that would change your life. That's pretty cool. If you're interested in joining us, definitely hit the links below. And if you're still needing a little bit more free tools to help you push over the edge and figure out that live video is the difference between success and wasting your time. It's the difference between having an incredibly successful online business to having a really expensive hobby. The difference is Live Academy. But if you need just a little bit more convincing, then definitely check in the links below. I have a secret for you. I want you guys to have access to the Visibility Hacking Secrets Training Vault. In there are exclusive trainings that will show you the frameworks and the strategies that we use in visibility hacking with us, with our brand, with our clients, and the research that we have put together from looking at a variety of different industries and what success looks like in their video content as well. And you can have access absolutely free. Just click the links down in the description. Join us for the Visibility Hacking Secrets Training Vault. And again, my friends, I want to see you there. I want to see what you guys do with these tools, because the world needs your voice and you need to start showing up. So until I see you next time, remember, I love you. Be excellent to each other.